And for Cindy, sawadee hello, yung magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta sa amin. Enjoy niyo ang pumanto. I-treat you po ang pumanto. Sobrang thank you sa oras na binigay po sa amin. Salamat dahil I think tulad namin very excited na po tayo lahat naroon ng pumanto. Of course, because Nancy and Asma, thank you everyone for being part of our premiere night.
Great, awesome stuff. Thank you so much. So now let's have a group photo with our director and lead stars of Pumanto. Of course, right here we have Cindy Miranda, Max Napapol, and Derek Sian Lin. So for all of you who have tickets, you may now enter Cinema Hub 6 or 7. Please do check your tickets. And the directors here, and of course our friends from the press who are all here. Thank you sa pag-sponsor sa ating Viva. Cindy Miranda, Max Napapol, and Alto Derek Sian Lim.
Cindy here.
Sponsors, thank you so much for making this premiere possible for Cinema Cinema. SM City Broadcast, please do join on stage.
Habang busy pa sila, I'd like to take this time to
Sound.
check. Yeah, habang busy pa si Max at si Cindy, I'd like to take this time to say maraming salamat. Thank you everyone for gracing this event. Thank you for gracing the premiere night at kasama rin namin ng mga bigan. This is very nice.
And for having me. I want to be here tonight with you guys and here's the Paras. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have a group photo, everybody. So please do. Thank you so much.
Nasa likod na. Come on, now, show it here. 1, 2.